In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an RSS feed to your Squarespace website efficiently and effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned website builder or just getting started, this guide will make the process clear and manageable so you can enhance your site with an RSS feed in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, if you haven't already, navigate to the Squarespace login page. You'll want to click on the login button to get started. This step is fairly straightforward but essential to gain access to your Squarespace account and all its features. After clicking login, you'll be prompted with several sign-in options. For this tutorial, we're going to select Continue with Google. This option is convenient if you have your Google account linked with Squarespace, simplifying the sign-in process without the need to remember additional usernames or passwords. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Click on the specific website where you want to add the RSS feed. This action will take you directly to your site's editing interface, where the real fun begins. Now that you're in your site's configuration, look for the Edit button. Clicking Edit is crucial as it allows you to make changes to your web pages and layout. In Squarespace, this is typically found in the upper right or left corner depending on your template. Next, you want to add a block to your page. Blocks are customizable sections that can house text, images, widgets, and more. To do this, click on Add Block. This can often be found in the interface as a small plus icon or a similar option depending on your specific setup. With the block menu open, scroll through the various block types until you find RSS. Click on it. The RSS option is designed specifically to syndicate your blog posts or news updates, keeping your audience informed with fresh content automatically. After adding the RSS block to your page, you'll see a pencil icon on the block you've just inserted. Click on this pencil icon. It allows you to customize which content appears in your RSS feed. By clicking it, you can edit the settings to ensure it displays exactly what you want. Finally, you'll need to decide which blog post you want to be included in your RSS feed. A drop-down menu will appear, letting you select from your existing posts. Choose the blog posts that best fit what you want your audience to see. Once selected, these posts will be syndicated through the RSS feed on your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an RSS feed to your Squarespace site, making sure your audience stays updated with your latest content effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful Squarespace tutorials.